I just sing it like Shaky Jake.
I don't need no change because I'm that nigga.
I'm like a baker, Chef Boyardee when I make them cake.
Cakes, bitch.
Fucking worst hype man.
Whoa. Oh, Gbird. You a vlogger now? Oh. Yeah, boy, Look, I'm vlogging now, y'all. I got my vlog camera stick. I got I don't want to tell y'all what camera I'm using because real vloggers don't reveal that secret. So I'm gonna just keep that quiet. But you know, I'm ready now. We ready. We vlogging. I hope y'all happy, man. I had to call my manager and let him know that I was gonna be 5 to 10 minutes late. And really, I'm blaming y'all because I had to get the vlog camera ready and the stick, the thing. What is it called? Tripod. Had to get the tripod ready. It's just a lot, and y'all just slowed my day down. So now it's like, look, boss, I'm late. I'm sorry, but it's cool. They don't be tripping on me like that. They be like, oh, you gonna be late? All right. But we gonna be shooting these different kind of videos. We got like the food videos. We got this hottest hot sauce in the world to ever touch anybody's tongue video. We got this buffet video. I know y'all said y'all wanted a buffet stream, cause I be going in at the buffet. We just went to one a couple days ago. That was the worst fucking food I ever had in my life. And they had the nerve to tell me that they didn't have crawfish. Oh, bro. Somebody almost got dropped. But you know, today, I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all into my work environment with me. Pulled up to the work establishment. Only 22 minutes late. But I still gotta change my shoes, so really it's gonna be like 25. But they love me here. It's all G. But yeah, you know, I was supposed to stream Anthem yesterday, but I had work at 10, and the game came out at 12. So if I were to stream, damn, why my hair look like that? My hair look crazy. If I were to stream it yesterday, I would only get like 6 hours of sleep. As much as I do want YouTube to be my career, like my real future career, I can't do that right now because I gotta go to work and make money, man. And then once it pop off, once the YouTube pop off, then it pop off, period. But as of right now, we just gotta do a stream with what time we got, and you know, that's all I can say. But I don't know, they do love me here, but I don't know if they love me enough to let me just walk around my camcorder like that. So we gonna put this away until I'm on the road, and then I can talk to y'all again. I love all y'all. Aaron Sales and Leasing, baby, come buy a mattress from me. Yeah. About to go ahead and feast, man, you know. Nigga just went in there and cashed out, you know. It's on slight, bruh. Hold on, let me take this off. It's on slight, bruh. You know, my partner about to come back. He about to watch me feast. He playing some lottery or some shit. You know, I don't do that. You know, look, let me show y'all what we got. Wow! The double chocolate muffin. This is the greatest thing in the world. Y'all ain't never seen a white bag before. Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. I ain't gonna let y'all watch me eat. I'm gonna eat it and then I'm gonna come back after I'm done. Oh damn, y'all still can't see the napkin in the. Oh, is that chicken and a biscuit? Oh my god. Alright, I'm about to enjoy this.
Hi, honey, what?
Oh, who hitting on you?
Oh, what the fuck that message was?
You got them tender hoes, huh? Oh, you gonna reply, hi baby? I'm telling you, man, it was tender.
It was tender? Yeah.
Nigga, we ain't got time to swipe. It's like, no, go ahead, I'm eating.
Oh, wait a minute, here it is right here. It's Veronica.
You fucked with Veronica yesterday?
Hell no. No, look, nigga. It's Veronica. You're funny.
Nigga, that's your roommate, bro.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, that's a nigga, man.
So what would a nigga be doing calling me for? Saying his name is Veronica.
I don't know what you be doing in your spare time. That shit dirty.
What? You need the spray?
Nah.
I got the spray.
I don't feel like doing all that, though.
You gonna use your nasty shirt and scratch them all
It's
right?
a clean shirt.
You're supposed to use your shirt. Because if you having them fibers.
Tupac on this shirt.
Tupac. You thought I was a work shirt on.
You thought I was wearing an Aaron shirt?
Man, you supposed to have on an Aaron shirt. For real, dog.
I ain't doing that.
No, nobody wear the uniform for me.
You wanna have a freestyle battle right now?
Oh fuck.
I'd kill you. I wouldn't even have to think.
Okay.
You don't know I'm a lyricist, bro.
You go get your coat. Good.
Will.
What? Bro, oh, you gotta pay for that, bro. That's $12. You get the strap?
Oh.
Brad, you gotta get the strap.
Man,
you better get the strap. $12.
Will. I ain't do that, bro.
You need to order you one anyway, so you can have that one. Order me new one.
I ain't doing that.
Get the strap. Don't. She was kind of cute for a gangster.
For a gangster?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, sit back, cameraman.
Man, that's a nigga. This nigga Will trying to get a nigga.
Right.
Damn, she got 4 kids in the back.
Oh, hell.
Go crazy, Will.
To all the young
Whippersnappers.
25 and up ladies.
To all the young whippersnappers that be watching young Gbird, you know, my man Will, single. He said, what's up?
What's up?
We don't do owls. He don't want no owls.
No owls.
No owls. Old white ladies.
No old
He don't
white
want
ladies.
none of them. He want the young ones.
25 and up.
25 and up or 25 and younger?
Up, man.
Oh.
Fuck, I ain't telling nigga.
Dang, this lighting look good though. Why I look so good in this lighting? Just look beautiful.
You look pasty.
I look beautiful.
Like that kid from Kid and Play.
You look pasty like that kid from Kid and Play. Nah, your ass black.
As fuck.
Not everybody can be as proud as, me. I got a job. Slight job. Big Daddy Grant's Furniture. Come get your chicken wings and chingalings and anything you need. We sell it all. Chingalings. Have you going all night. If they ain't got no fresh sausage, I'm walking out. Y'all ain't got no sausage?
Just finna make some. That's funny.
Dang. You about to take one right now?
Scared that shit. I
Nah.
come up to hold a blunt.
Yeah.
Nigga Charlene, you know that she got her car clean.
Ooh, clean car.
Motherfuckers at Airs be acting like some dope fiends.
Beans.
Fucking Keisha acting thirsty like she want a wedding ring.
Wedding ring. But
I
she
don't like
ain't
that
getting
shit.
nothing.
She talk or sing.
Ooh.
I don't do that shit.
Hit her with the bling
She
bling.
got too much thing.
Too much things. Nigga.
Cancerous tumor with an abscess.
Assets.
Niggas can't handle my assets.
Assets. Nigga, we
Girl, you
call
looking good in the ass dress.
that sundress, bitch.
Nah, I'm tripping, I'm turmoil.
Nigga.
Come through, my pants dirty because they got soil.
Hey.
I make my steak cooking on top of the stove, put it in the oven, aluminum foil.
And no oil.
With no oil.
Oh.
Slip of the tongue, grab the mic, give y'all niggas a taste.
Taste, man.
Let this fucking fine ass chick come through and frost my flakes.
And she gonna sit on his face.
Turn around with them booty cheeks, look at them beautiful cakes.
Cakes.
Do it just like the cheese, so all I do is stick out my rake.
Rake and I'ma pick it up like leaves.
Begging for change, we out there singing like Shaky Jake.
I don't need no change because I'm that nigga.
I'm like a banker, Chef Boyardee when I make them cakes.
Cakes, bitch.
Fucking worst nightmare.
What you mean? My ad-libs fire as hell.
Cake.
Migos, I'm trying out, man. I'm about to upload my mixtape right now. Tell me what y'all think. All right, we about to kick it off right now. This for y'all, Migos. Go ahead and kick it off, bro. Oh, I thought I was the ad-lib. You was the rapper.
Oh, I'm the rapper.
All right, hold on. I'll give you something to come in on, though. We driving around the city, niggas. You ain't really with it, nigga.
With it. Come through in the Iron Airs trucks, y'all can kick it, nigga.
Kick it, nigga.
I got that flow, you gonna come through, I'm gonna spit it, nigga.
Spit it, nigga.
I got the pistols packed and I'm pulling all the triggers, nigga. I got the ad-lib flowing, drink out the back.
You know, the back,
Most
nigga.
of y'all niggas don't do no shows and y'all raps is whack.
And y'all smoke crack.
Y'all be in the alley about to get attacked.
And y'all whack.
I seen y'all crew, y'all the ones always getting jacked.
And attacked. Like a police with a baseball bat.
No.
Huh? Migos, can I join, bro?
Hey, something wrong.
Offset.
Something wrong.
Niggas out here dying. What is going on? Oh, your car gone, big fella. That's out of there. That's out of there. I hope they alright. R.I.P. Damn, Will, you got something to say about that?
Buckle up.
Although we've come to the end of the road, still I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong to me. I belong to you. What you trying to say, man?
That you and Keisha should start a group.
Why would I start that with your girl? Why would I do that with your girl?
No. I gave her money back. I borrowed yesterday.
So you borrowed money from her?
She bought me lunch.
You borrowed money from her, huh? That sounds like something a girl and guy do. You
I borrowed money from you too.
You don't borrow money from me.
Okay, what'd you give me yesterday?
I ain't give you. I gave that to you. I gave that to you.
How about hit it? Give me my money back.
Nah.
How about? How about?
I ain't doing that. I decided to record right here because, you know, the lighting a little better. Just want to talk to y'all, man. Let y'all know I just love y'all, man. You know, once I make it big, we gonna do them meet and greets, man. We gonna do them all that. When y'all start seeing these vlogs, I want y'all to let me know if y'all really digging these. Like, do y'all really mess with these vlogs? Are y'all really feeling them? Like, is vlogging something that I should continue on this channel? I really think I should, because I mean, it's kind of cool. It's kind of fun to vlog. No, it's fun. It is fun. I like it. I do like vlogging. You get to, like, record and have all those memories and shit like that. From when you get older, you like, damn, I remember that day when I did that. If it's something special y'all want to see on the vlogs, just let me know. Like comment down what kind of videos y'all trying to run, what y'all want me to do. Y'all want me to eat some food, because y'all know I like food and I love buffets, so, you know, I'm always down for food challenges and shit. Nah, on a real note though, them niggas at Aaron's had me fucked up today, bruh. Talking about come in an hour early and then you gonna get off early. How the hell I get off late? Why am I off late then? If I came in early and I'm still off late. That's what we doing, Aaron's? That's what we doing, bruh? Okay, now watch. When I don't show up, then we gonna see if I'm off early or late. Sick of this shit. Checkers. Checkers.
Ew, why are you doing that?
Checkers.
You're nasty.
Y'all, we streaming right after we get this food, man. It's my wings coming out fresh though, so it's gonna take a little bit. But how was your day today?
Pretty good. Didn't do much.
Biscuit head. Oh, lemon neck. But we got the new anthem, y'all. New anthem. You know, it cost me a little bit, so if y'all trying to hit my account with a quick $300, go ahead. I ain't tripping. I'll gladly take it. My seatbelt broke too, so I mean, oh shit. No, it's not. It's fixed again, so. All right, I guess I only need $250, but if y'all willing, you know, y'all want to throw $250 in there, go ahead. Day number 2 with the fam, baby. Hey, bro, show them the magic trick.
Alright,
Huh? Dang, you short, man. You gotta grow. Go ahead, whip it out for him then. Let me see. Yeah, you see the napkin?
Okay. Make sure it's in there.
It's in there tight. Hey. That's enough. Okay.
Make sure it's
Yeah,
in there. Bam!
in there.
Boy.
Oh, gone. Where's
Boy
that?
magic, okay?
It ain't in there. Go ahead and bring it back for him then.
Oh, boy. How about that?
Go ahead and hit your dance, ma. Hit your dance. Hit the ooh, ay. Hit the ooh, ay. Hit the ooh, ooh. Come back to life, mama. Come back to life. Hit the ooh, ay. Hit the ooh, ay. Ay. Hit the ooh. Oh, shit. We ain't got no choice but to fight Nas, two of these big ass niggas. Get your, yeah, now you don't know. Man, what you, it's 3 niggas. Shut your dumb ass. Niggas like that make me want to scrap the ass. You know, fucking I was in a crawfish line. I was minding my own business. This girl came up behind me and she was like, "You look like Drake." That's my girl voice. She was like, "You look like Drake." And I was like, thanks. Stop. When I ended the stream, it was about an hour and 30 minutes ago. I was at 4 plates. I believe I'm at about 8 plates now. 8 plates now. For those of you who wanted me to keep track. But we left the buffet. I'm at about 10 plates. Something like that. But now we at Walmart and I feel like I'm about to throw up. But I'm trying to hold it in. Now we getting knives and shit.
It's not forks and spoons.
Knives. Come on now. Open your eyes, Jam Lux. Open your eyes. Don't hit me in my stomach. I'll throw up on you. I'll throw up all over you right now. Don't even test me. But y'all, I think that's gonna end in vlog 2. I don't know. I might vlog a little bit when I get back to the house, or the apartment. But as of right now,
Hotel?
yeah, the hotel. Right now, my shit's about to die. But I got it like a little juice before I got out the car, so it's at like 6%. But I just want y'all to know that I love y'all oh so much. And I hope I see y'all in the next stream. Huh?
That sounds pretty.
Yeah, we about to rob that purse back there. Second night, but I love y'all. Have a good rest of the night, my people. Quick update. French onion dip. Jamie was playing around. Got it on the floor. How you get the French onion dip on the floor? Let them know. How did you do that? No, that's sad, man. Sorry about that again. These people, man. I just spilled French.
You play too much.
Just got the French onion dip on the floor.
No,
that was a good bottle of
listen.
French onion
He
dip.
was talking about, I'm gonna drop it, and I'm gonna just say, I found it like this. And then what does he do? He goes down the next aisle, and he's playing around, and he drops it.
I ain't dropped that shit. I ain't do that. Can't believe you broke the French onion dip.